Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upload to your Snapchat Spotlight. So select your profile picture emoji on the top left corner of your screen. Then you're just going to select Add to Spotlight, record or take a picture if you want, and then you can add filters, stickers. It is up to you. And then you are going to just select send to, and then my story, and then select like this arrow to the right, and then I think it's going to be added to your Spotlight too. So that's basically how you can add to your Snapchat Spotlight. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!